Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is John of Art for our Ilonggo tutorial. Well, I have been away for quite some time. Sorry about that. I have been lazy. Lazy is tamaran in Ilonggo or tamad. Sorry about that. I just had to take a break for a while after my trip from Europe and also Asia. And I am here. And this is why I've been so busy with my team of artists. We have been building this rundown structure into an art gallery. So we also have a bonfire pit and there's a gallery inside and we're putting up mandalas, and also up there I've been crocheting or gansillo in Ilonggo. So I've been doing that. That's why my hands are just full and I'm just addicted to doing the crochet. So anyway, what inspired me again to do the video is I have a little, some kind of unboxing, my version at least of unboxing, or this time unwrapping, because I've been to the Central Market, which is a treasure trove of native goodies or native, you know, products available. So, okay, just to show you what I have bought, okay, let me show you some of the art installations that we have here. Oops. So, this is our toilet bowl seat made of real toilet bowls. See? And we've converted them into seats. They haven't been used. The owner of the place also owns a hardware store. So some of the reject toilet bowls are featured here in this toilet bowl seat. So now with our unwrapping of some of the stuff that I bought from the Central Market. So unwrapping, this is kalat. Kalat is Ilonggo word for rope. So I bought a lot of ropes here for more of my mandalas over there. Some of the more heavy duty mandalas and dream catchers. This one is for the swing. I plan to put a swing over there. Maybe in my next video I show them to you. And so here are the more heavy duty stuff. We'll see, let's see, how do I open this? So just opening this is also quite a challenge because it's nahigot. Higot is also rope, or kalat. Kalat is a much bigger sized rope. So kalat is bigger. This one is made of coralon material. So they say it's they're used at sea. So it's weatherproof, rain or shine, or even at sea. This is a very sturdy material. The smaller one is higot. This is made of nylon. It's only 30 pesos. Kaching, kaching. Okay, this one I bought from the first store or the first shop I went to when I entered the Central Market, and they sold it to me for 380 pesos. Kaching, kaching. Which it turns out it's way expensive. So I would advise you not to buy in that store ever again. And of course I haggled, so that's the thing. When you go to the Central Market, you have to haggle for the price. They gave this to me for 350. Still, I'm a loser when it comes to a good price for this, because from where I bought these stuff, these are only 30 pesos a bundle. 30 pesos for this. They're made of cheap nylon. Okay, so 30 pesos. But this one, wow, 380, and I haggled. Nag-ayo. Ayo is Ilonggo for haggle. Ayo for 350. Still expensive because from this store that sold me this, they're only selling these for 150. So a very far cry. 8 meters of coralon. So a bundle of this, they only sell for 150. So the next time around when you go to the Central Market, find the store of Barredo. So he's located in the inner sanctum of the Central Market selling all these goods. Okay, so Barredo. Okay, Barredo. I'm endorsing him. I'm endorsing him because he only profits a small price for all his products. What's important for him, according to um, his his um, his employees, is that he just wants to get rid of the stocks so that he could replenish it some more. So what do I have here? We'll see. So the first product is this. It's wrapped, so I'm unwrapping. This is called binangon. Binangon is an Ilonggo term for bolo. Bolo, or some kind of a hacking knife. So it's heavy duty. So it's made of tough iron sheet. So this is used for cutting down trees, opening coconut fruit. So you use a binangon. It's very heavy duty. You need to sharpen this. I bought this for kaching kaching 180 pesos only at the Barredo store. Okay, next unwrapping is, what's this? Of course, this looks familiar also for chopping down trees because that's what we're doing. This is an axe. So in Ilonggo, it's called wasay. I bought this for, how much was this? 380 pesos. So this and this together with this, they're both 500. So kaching kaching 500 for these tools. So I'm going to need this for chopping down some trees, branches, and also for opening um, buko or coconut tree. And what are these? These are called sulo. So these are native, you know, torches. So made of discarded bottles, so they're recycled. There's a big wick there, and made of a certain kind of bamboo, which is called bagakay. So this is a kind of bamboo. They're straight and slim, and they sell for only 50 pesos each. So I bought four, so that's 200 pesos in all, so not bad. I will show you how we use them. Just put kerosene here, or gas, or some kind of fuel. So traditionally it's kerosene, but maybe we will use used oil and salt. So we'll have a look. Okay, and this one, ta-da! It's called a street sweeper's broom. So it's called a silhig. A broom is a silhig. I bought this one, ta-da! Because it's easier to sweep the fallen leaves. So this one is, how much is it? 75 pesos. So not bad. 75 pesos. So it's made of coconut, dried coconut leaves, you know, the hard part of the coconut leaves. So they take it away and they shave it off. And this is what you get. So all in all, I bought everything for 835 pesos. So not bad. So I have this, a broom, silhig in Ilonggo, and whoops, sulo, or a torch again, and wasay, and binangon. So it's getting darker already. Time for me to say goodbye. This is Joan of Arc. See you in our next video. Bye for now. Bye-bye.